Bro, you did that, man. I love the truck, dude. We got to see it last year. You was a contender last year for the trophy. And seeing it done, dude, you deserve it, man. It's yours.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you?
Bro, what is that? That's an old school Toyota Hilux. Supercharged 4-cylinder? All right. Tucking lugs on 14s, body drop. Yeah, we tucking lugs. This thing is sick, bro. Custom built bobber seats, front and rear. Sliding rag. And I really think it's dope that building these bench seat bomber seats, man. I love them, dude. This thing just gets better and better. Wait a minute. So, check this out. Yo, this thing is monoleaf with the monoleaf flipped upside down to lay out. That's pretty wild. I hadn't seen a monoleaf in a while. Suicide doors, bro. 4-door Toyota Hilux, dually, bagged and bodied on 14s with a freaking supercharged 4-cylinder. This thing is sick. Somebody built this. This is definitely a contender for the trophy for sure.
Say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Say I'm dangerous, 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No, no. They left me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn.
filling station. Mini truck and owned, mini truck and operated. Let's sneak in and see if we can get a taste. Dude, the food's amazing. The burgers are amazing. The crawfish fries are to die for. I had them last night, and they're freaking amazing.
Chicken tenders like that, buddy.
And what's dope is you look in, man, you see all the airhead. I mean, just mini trucking stuff everywhere. If you're at the shows and you're hungry, come to the filling station.
You're gonna find stuff like this. This is some of our homemade crawfish queso. Nothing frozen. Everything's homemade.
Check out the line outside. Look at all the people outside, bro. Pink Cadillac. This is pretty dope. They built a Cadillac, you know, for breast cancer. It's a sick Cadillac laid out. The pink is awesome. It's got a little pearl on it. It's got an LS swap in it. All cancers suck. One of our own, Angie, is battling cancer herself. This is her truck behind us. She's an awesome mini trucking chick. Love her to death. And it sucks that she's going through this. Stuart found out about this. He got in touch with me and was like, hey man, look, I want to help out as much as I can. So at last resort, I'm gonna give you guys a spot. Whatever you guys want to do to help raise money for Angie. So we got together with Angie and Jessica. I got to give it to those two. They busted ass, set all of this up. And what they did is we had a bunch of people donate some stuff and we did a raffle. Things like this. Our own Hunter built this pit. We had Carport Customs. We did some of our compressor brackets. Thomas did a set of boards. So big thanks to everybody that donated. Big thanks to everybody that bought a ticket. Thanks to Stuart and the whole Last Resort crew. Thanks to Angie herself for being strong and fighting this. You're not alone. It sucks. Sometimes you just gotta stop and take care of your people. Cancer sucks, man.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
They actually got to bring it. They got it finished and they brought it to the show. It's so dope. I get a picture from Kim of this thing going down the highway. They got this thing put together the day before the show, test drove it around the block, hit the key and drove all the way from Beaumont to Jennings and just cruised it. So I know it's a dope feeling to have something that you've been busting your ass on, to hit the key, everything work out, and you just make it, man. Make the trip, make the cruise, and get to show off your work. I know they got a long way to go on this car, so go check them out on Pierced Off Garage, follow the build, and see where they take it next. No way, is that the same truck from last year? That's gotta be the same truck, dude. Oh yeah, look, it's got the cantilevers in the back. This truck has come a long way from last year. This thing turned out sick, man. Look at this paint job. Whoever done the paint job killed it. They killed those graphics. Look, check out the little palm trees. I see all the little tricks they pulled out. Being a painter now, it's crazy looking at these paint jobs and seeing the tricks that they pulled out, knowing that I pull these same tricks, you know, like the splatters in the background. And the camera's probably not gonna pick it up, but this isn't just a pink. There's a beautiful pearl on this pink, man. And, oh, old school mini trucks need tweed. I like that he done the half wrap in tweed too. That's pretty awesome.
take you